Here is the SUMPRI multi-tray Smore Caddy. I tell you, I was kind of skeptical when I first saw this. I mean, it looks like something for fishing tackle. Interesting, nice heavy-duty latch. And open it up. Hold on. It's kind of hard to do this one-handed. You have all these fun trays. Put your marshmallows, your skewers, and all the accoutrement down there. This is too awesome. This is amazing. Wow. I feel like going camping now. No, this is truly amazing. I mean, you can either take this on your camping trip or you can sit out in your backyard and roast marshmallows and have a happy party. Hopefully, we'll be doing that soon. Alright, so I will have the Amazon URL on my YouTube. Happy camping!